नमस्कार. फाटले 7 मेक गोंयान लोकसभा इलेक्शना खातीर वोटींग जालें. सावथ गोवा आनी नॉर्थ गोवाचे 2 कचोटींची आशिल्ल्यो आनी मतदान बरें जालें, पिसफूल जालें आनीक ह्या खेपे ऑलमोस्ट 77% वोटींग क्रॉस जालें. सो फाटल्या वर्सा परस हें वोटींग ह्या वर्सा चड आशिल्लें. आनी आतां सगळे वेध लागल्या ते 4 जुनाचे जे दिसा कावंटींग जातलें आनी कोण ह्या इलेक्शनाक बाजी मारता हें आमकां स्पश्ट जातलें. आयज आमी आसात चीफ इलेक्शनल कमिशनर रमेश वर्मा हांच्या ऑफिसान आयल्या आनी आमी तांचे कडेन उलयतात ह्या इलेक्शना बद्दल, फाटीं जें वोटींग जालां ताजे बद्दल आनी आतां जें कावंटींग जावपा आसा ताजे बद्दल तांचें कितें मत आसा हें जाणून घेवपाचो आमी प्रयत्न करुया. वेलकम मिस्टर रमेश वर्मा. अभी जो इलेक्शन अभी काउंट हो गया, वोटिंग जो हो गया लास्ट 5 मई का, सो 77% अच्छी परसेंटेज थी. पीपल टर्न आउट इन अ बिग नंबर्स in these last elections. So whom you give the credit to about this high percentage of?
एक तो पोलिंग 7th मई को थी इन फेज 3 और आवर पोलिंग परसेंटेज इज नियर अबाउट 77%. Contribution goes to complete team here because we work as a team. तो दोनों डिस्ट्रिक्ट टीम हैं, दोनों डीओज हैं, उनकी टीम है और हमारे सी ऑफिस की टीम है. साथ साथ में सभी लोगों के द्वारा पार्टिसिपेशन इसमें किया बिकॉज दिस इज़ ए फेस्टिवल ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. सो आई थिंक इट इज़ ए कंप्लीट टीम वर्क एंड वी अचीव्ड आवर टारगेट. However, we are not able to touch the 80% mark, but still the voting turnout is one of the highest in the history of Goa. So that is a good credit to the teamwork.
Any special measures you all have taken for achieving this?
As I was,
Especially, I think you have come up with various innovative initiatives this time, like green elections. And
3 new initiatives we have led this time. 2 are for our green environmental friendly innovative ideas. You can say like one plantation drive by our polling officials, the other plantation drive by our voters after casting their vote, and third is to tackle the urban apathy. Because in urban areas people generally not showing interest because of some health issues, especially in older age people. So we have arranged a medical camp also nearby to the polling station, and because of all these efforts, the other efforts like taking all precautions to check control on the heat wave effect, definitely we got our all rewards in the form of the voting turnout, and that is the reason our voting turnout is about 77%.
what was the most popular measure? Like whatever innovation you have done, what was the most popular one?
See, Goan culture is a different culture from other areas, and as you know, people are very much environmental friendly people here. So they showed their interest in our environmental friendly initiative, especially in our this plantation drives. Because after casting a vote, if we are asking people to go for plantation, so they have showed a lot of interest in that activity. And our polling officials also took a part at the polling station or nearby areas and plant a sapling there. So almost 10,000 plants were in one single day. So this shows their interest, and I think this is one of the biggest one initiative which attract people. Other initiatives definitely like this refreshment and drink arrangement at our polling station to tackle the heat wave. These are all good initiatives through which we are able to attract voters at our polling stations.
Any arrangements are made to take care of these plants? Have you
And see, the blessings of power is also here now. The weather conditions which we are facing at present is with shower also, and so we are lucky because otherwise also we already thought a plan in advance that we have to take care of our plant saplings for at least 1 month. After that, monsoon will become in Goa because monsoon generally arrives in the first or second week of June. So up to June second week, and we also get full support from our education department, because director of education also passed instructions to all their educational heads to check all these plant saplings for next 1 month, and PWD department is there. So with the help of all these departments, we are able to take care of all our saplings for next at least few months, and then nature will itself take care of all our plant saplings.
Are you satisfied with the way the elections went on that day? Were any complaints? Were there any violation complaints? And how you all tackled it? Is it all disposed of, or
See, we have received many complaints. We have gone through all the complaints also. These are all our learning outcomes, and after completion of our counting, we will sit together and think on all the learning outcomes also. Then I will be in a position to tell you that okay, what has gone, what best we can do. Because for any exercise, we have to be ready with all our failures or success, and we have to get check on all those learning outcomes, which will ultimately help to tackle such type of situations in future events. So definitely I will be able to tell you after 4th, maybe around 10 June, I will give you clear information that what we learned from our all these uh, management of our elections in 2024 for parliament.
what about the complaints made by political parties about model code of conduct violations? And
Yeah, there are such complaints of model code of violations, and you know about all those complaints. People try to instigate some other voters at the polling station nearby to polling station, and we have checked all these model code violation complaints through field officials, and we are trying to check all those measures also by which now we can avoid such type of complaints in future and check better control on all such issues in future. So definitely we will learn from all these incidents, and we are lucky that we have only limited number of such violation complaints, but however mainly such complaints are coming from either one party or the other party. So definitely we will sit together to learn from all these things.
now the big challenge is coming up on June 4th. The how you are preparing yourself for the D-Day.
Yeah, we are fully ready, and I would already discussed with both the DOs, because the counting is the major responsibility of both the DOs. We have to supervise all the exercise there. I personally visited the one counting center up north, and in a day or two I'm going to south also. We are fully ready with all our security arrangements, 3-layer security, CCTV arrangements are there. Our counting teams are ready. Micro observers are in place. The teams are fully trained by both the DOs, and we have received our approvals. Further, we are sending again some proposals to ECI to get approval, and we are hopeful of getting all our approvals in a day or two. So by this, I can say that okay, we are fully ready, and we have tried our best to get results on the day of counting uh, as early as possible, because definitely people will eager to know about their future representatives for both the district. So this is our responsibility also to give better results with better preparation. So this is our responsibility, and our teams are ready to do this work on 4th.
When you expect the results are likely to come, by what time on 4th?
This I cannot announce at this moment, because for every counting center we have different counting halls, and in every counting hall the number of tables are from 7 to 14. In some counting hall we have 7, somewhere 8, 9. So maybe in some counting halls we need more number of rounds, whereas in some other we need less number of rounds. But overall we are hopeful of getting results by the afternoon. So around lunchtime now we will be able to say clearly about the results. So this is general trend in Goa, and as you know from the past history also, up to 12 or after 12 means up to 1 or 1:30 we will be able to announce the results in both the districts.
So once the results are announced, model code of conduct will end when?
No, it will be through one order by the ECI. So we have to wait for the notification by the ECI. Once they pass the notification copy to us, then only we can announce this thing. Right?
All the best for the June 4th. Thank you.